Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present expected trading zones for natural gas futures for the week of September 16, 2018. So first let us consider some international economic developments which has occurred during the last 2 days since September 14th. As you know that US President Donald Trump wants to move forward with the tariffs of $200 billions on Chinese goods. The tariff level will probably be about 10%. This is below 25%, the administration said it was considering for this possible round of tariffs. Besides trade rhetorics, the US will see a relatively quiet week in terms of economic releases, where they report on the housing sector expected to draw the most attention. So friends, currently the changing pattern of weather is also important in the Gulf of Mexico, which affect the production side of natural gas. And third most important thing, I would like to point out that the upcoming season is very important when we will find a lot of cooling demand from all over the world. Currently we have found that the Hurricane Florence have made a lot of disturbance in US, and second, a major typhoon which has just made its appearance after crossing Philippines to China. A lot of destruction has occurred amid this season. So I find that the whole equation of the current stockpiles of natural gas, which will not be sufficient to meet the upcoming demand from the major consumer of the world like China and India, where demand for natural gas will be more. If we find this country going on tariff trade war seems come to an end, because this will not going to favor any economy, not even the US and not the China. If they go on with the same thing again and again without any conclusive decision, so I find that soon they will be going to end this war, and a one hope of hope, friends, will begin a new era in energy sector especially, which will see a free flow of natural gas and crude oil from one part of the world to the other. So during this whole scenario, I find natural gas look very attractive at the current levels. Let us have a look at the levels of natural gas, where it is trading at the current levels. I find that the level of $2.767 historically provide good support to natural gas futures, and here you can see that since last few trading session we have found a lot of trading support from the bulls at the current level, and soon we will see a sharp shoot in natural gas futures from the current levels, because I think soon we will find injection season going to change from weekly injection to weekly withdrawals in a very short time, as we are on the verge of winter arrivals. And I find that opening levels of natural gas futures on 17th will be very decisive in deciding the future direction moves. So let us have a look at the same chart in a 4-hour trading zone, which I expect. Here you can see that natural gas futures have found a good support at the current level since September 5th. They again and again found support at the current level, and on 6th September you can see a good spot in the natural gas futures from these levels, and finally they found a resistance at the level of $2.845. And I find, and after touching these levels, they started to come down up to the level of up to the current levels. And here once again we have found that they are trying to form a double bottom. I will call it a double bottom, result in a sharp shoot up in the natural gas futures from the current levels. So let us have a look at the same chart in a 1-hour zone. So friends, you can see in a very clear manner that natural gas futures have taken a good support at the current levels, where they are taking, and this line provides good support to natural gas futures from a long time. So I find that this formation is evident enough for a good opening on the first trading session of the week on September 16, which will make a good move in natural gas futures, and I find that natural gas futures will try to remain in this uptrend zone in zigzag manners once they cross the level of $2.827. You will find a good spurt in shorts, and after crossing the level of $2.888, we will find a beginning of short covering rallies till the level of $3. So friends, I am sure that natural gas futures will try to cross the first resistance at $3.027 during the upcoming week, and I find that every downward move till this level will provide a good chance for going long. I find that up to the level of $2.745, we will find a good opportunity to go long, and I find that this support is not likely to be breached in the days ahead, and we will definitely see good upward moves from the current levels. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.